With my guitar from RareElectricGuitars.com. It's a custom shop. They do all sorts of things for you, different models that companies don't make anymore, or if you're a left-handed person like myself, some models aren't made left-handed, so they'll make something for you. I have in my hands right here a John Lennon style Rick. It's completely stock. I haven't done anything to it, and as you can see, the pickups aren't sunken in. They're right there on the top of the body. Everything on this is just really nice, really beautiful. Tuners are really nice, really good. I gotta say, I'm really pleased with this so far. I've been messing around. It still has all the strings and everything that came with it, and I haven't changed anything. This is purely what it sounds like out of the box and tuned up. I've been messing with the strings to get them ready to be tuned. I'm going to showcase some different sounds for you, okay? Some different sound tests from this guitar. I have my guitar set in the bridge position pickup. That's usually what I like to play anyway. Here are some sounds, a bit more of a Beatley sound. You can get that rhythmy feel. You get that little bit of a bite at the end of it. I'm really happy with that. Here's another test, something Beatley. Anyway, so just really fun. So really, a guitar that is ready to be beat up, pretty much. It's got a short scale neck like the originals, and I'm not used to that. I'm a bigger guy, and these frets can be small for some people. But if you're a big John Lennon fan, big Beatles fan, you got to get a guitar like this. Here's another sound, a bit more modern, more reggae, sort of jazzy-ish. So it works really well for modern stuff just as well as it does for Beatley stuff. I gotta say, pretty versatile model, and I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna do a little demo of heavier sounds for you just so you can get an idea for that. Here we go. So it works pretty well for most things. I gotta say, I'm really pleased with what I've got so far. I'm gonna replace some parts, make it a bit more like an original just for that feel. But again, I'm really happy with it. The action is great. It's got the lacquered fretboard. It's a beautiful model. I highly recommend so far. I'm gonna do some better sound test videos in the future, so keep posted if you'd like to see those, okay? Alright, thank you guys, appreciate it. You okay?